Alright, today we're going to change the spark plugs on my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300. It's got right over 37,000 miles. Last time I changed the spark plugs was a year and a half ago, actually closer to 2 years ago, which is not in accordance with the manual, but either way I replaced them almost 2 years ago, about 9,000 miles ago. This bike has right over 37,000 miles on it. The manual says you're supposed to change them every 8,000 miles or every 12 months, whichever comes first. I haven't noticed any performance issues with the bike, but I figured it would be worth the while to go ahead and change them. The spark plugs themselves are not that expensive. There's 2 of them. NK or NGKs. There's the, whoops, upside down. There we go. Got those off Amazon for right under $17 a piece. Might have been able to get them cheaper someplace else, but either way I got them quickly. Got 2 spark plugs like I mentioned, one behind that chrome looking cover plate there for the rear cylinder, and the front cylinder is behind that chrome plate right there. Torque spec on those are, I think it's 13 Newton meters, right over 9 foot-pounds. I'll check that again obviously before I do it, but either way, let's get them changed. First thing, number 5 Allen wrench. And they're pretty tight. Going to require 2 hands. Here's the rear spark plug. They say before you pull that out to blow some compressed air down in there, just to make sure no trash accidentally falls down into the cylinder. Those are pretty clean. Not sure if I'm going to do that or not. First thing to do is get the boot off though. 9/16 socket. I'm sure there's a metric equivalent, but I bought this one last time I changed the spark plugs. It's magnetic, which makes putting the spark plugs in and taking them out a lot nicer. Removed. I will say it didn't take a lot of force to turn it, which makes me question if it didn't wiggle itself loose a little bit. Either way, considerable difference between the new spark plug and the old spark plug. You'd think you'd notice a difference. We'll find out. New spark plug in, 9.4 foot-pounds torqued. Should be ready to go. Put the boot back on and move to the other side. Got the front cylinder cover off. There's a spark plug. Take a little wiggling back and forth, pull that boot off, and the spark plug will be underneath there. Okay, got the second spark plug out. The one on the right is the front cylinder. The one on the left is the back or rear cylinder. Looks like the rear cylinder had a little more damage done to it. I will say both of them were definitely loose. Didn't take any force at all to get them out. I'll make sure they're torqued in there properly this time at least. Let's get the new one in. Okay, second spark plug in, torqued to 9.4 foot-pounds, and ready to put the cover back on and crank it up and see how she sounds. Okay, let's see what she does. I would say that's a good one. I did not adjust the spark gap. I've not had to do that since I've been buying these spark plugs, but overall It's a good one.